Assalamu alaikum. This is Sabbir Hossain, ID 221155199. Today I will discuss network address translation, which is called by NAT. Why actually we use NAT? We use NAT so that we can enhance network efficiency and security. Now come to the purpose. What is NAT? NAT actually a process that modifies IP address into information in a packet headers during the network transition. Also, it acts as a gateway between internal and external network that allows device on private network to access external network using a single IP address. When it comes to the purpose of the network address translation, uh, it actually utilize the IP address using enhanced security and efficiency. Now come to the type of network address translation. Here you can see the picture like static NAT, dynamic NAT, and port address translation. Here, static NAT is one-to-one mapping, which actually used in web server or remote access data. Also, here you can see that dynamic NAT where we use many-to-many mapping and allowing IPs dynamically from a port. Not only that, many to one mapping using port numbers common in home and small business network. Here you can see the clear picture. So, uh, how network address translation actually works? Here you can see three parts: outgoing packets, net table, and incoming packets. On the screen here you can see everything where outgoing packets so act as a source private IP is replaced by public IP. Also here you can see the table which maintains the record of translation to ensure the private routing. And finally, the incoming packet which translates the public IP back to the appropriate private IP. Now, this is the benefit of network address translation. So, if you come to your mind, first, why we use a network address translation? So, we actually use network address translation for efficient address utilization, like maximize the usage of limit of IPv4 address, also improve the privacy and security where hides internal device from direct exposure. Also, simplified the network management, like feasible internal IP address management. Now, come to the challenge with NAT. Every device has a limitation. So, IPv4 network address NAT has also have a limitation. So, if you come to the compatibility issue with some protocols, here you can see we can call about the uh, VoIP address or filters. That actually adds complexity to the network, which is troubleshooting. Also, latency introduced by translation. When it comes to the practical application, so we use home networks like sharing on public address among multiple devices, um, and corporate networks like load balancing and traffic management. Also, cloud environment like isolating management or virtual network. So this is the key takeaway and the summary of network address translation. For NAT is a virtual act as a virtual modem networking, addressing the IP before shortage and enhance the security. And it also support the seamless communication between the private networks and the public networks. Also widely implemented across homes, business, and cloud infrastructure. So this is all about the network address translation. If you have any question regarding to the network address translation, you can feel free to ask. So that's from my side. Assalamu alaikum.